Good morning. I'm meteorologist John Marshall, and Happy New Year. It's been a long minute, hasn't it? And what we're dealing with right now is a potential storm that will give some areas some significant snow. And excuse the voice, I've been a little congested the last couple of days. There's a lot going around out there. And basically, folks, this is not going to be an I-95 snow event. There's a lot of things negating the formation of some heavy snow, especially along the big cities from like New York City down to Philadelphia. First of all, Arctic high pressure is located over the northeastern portions of the country. Let's say Maine. Notice these areas. This is a satellite picture right here. Notice these areas of purple. Readings here are around zero, so we do have the supply right now. But that high, with this low developing over the southeast, is going to move off towards the Canadian Maritimes, and it's going to lose its cold influence on much of our region in the tri-state of New Jersey, Connecticut, and New York. But it looks like it's going to come down pretty vigorously, the snowfall, later this afternoon, north and west of I-95 for a couple of hours. So this is all this high cloudiness. We had cold air overnight. Temperatures got down into the teens. And, oh, thank you guys. I'm looking at your comments now. Glad you're getting better. I appreciate that. It's all good. You know, it's this time of the year. And we're going to look at the radar. This radar is from about, what time is it right now? 8:21? Let's say the last hour and a half. And you can see that the precipitation is beginning to really become widespread. South and west of Philadelphia, through portions of Ohio, the areas of blue is the snow. In our neck of the woods right now, nothing much going on, and that's what we expect this morning. Little renegade band of snow over State College. This will fill in, I think, between 3 and 6 o'clock this evening. There's going to be a burst of some pretty significant snow that will be developing, and this is the 3-kilometer NAM, showing that right now. At about 5 o'clock, some light snow developing, and here's that onset and that thump. Let's say between, I don't know, 4 and 7 p.m., this area, purple, over northern New Jersey, could be a couple of inches of snow, even just north and west of the I-95 corridor. But look at all the rain. The low is too close to the coast. Warm air coming in. Folks, the ocean water temperature is still mild, in the mid and upper 40s, and you have an east wind with this low so close. It's not happening for New York City. It is not happening for Philadelphia, central and southern New Jersey. A mix will happen. Even in the interior, there will be a warm tongue of air coming into this system at about 7,000 feet to the surface. So it may go over to some sleet. The low begins to exit late tonight. Precipitation lightens up. I think even inland they'll go over to maybe a little bit of light sleet. And then the storm sort of slows down. Little area, significant purple, redevelops a bit. And then it gives us some light snow, especially north, for tomorrow and tomorrow, let's say, mid to late afternoon. But nothing's changed in my mind with these snow amounts. Good morning, guys. I appreciate you. Yeah, New York City is dodging the bullet. I'm here to give you an update, and I want the snow too, but it's just not looking like it's going to happen. This is the last call map. This will not change. Once I put a last call map up, it's it. If I bust, I bust. So here we go. Long Island, really, you're not going to get anything, much of anything. Neither will central and southern New Jersey. By the Turnpike, north of the Turnpike, maybe a slushy coating at the onset this afternoon and evening. Remember, around 3 to 6 o'clock it begins from southwest to northeast. And that's what's going to happen as this system continues to move up and off and along our coastline. But north and west, 2 to 4 inches of snow, coastal Connecticut, north of New York City, 2 to 3, 4 inches of snow, and then well to the north, 4 to 8, and yes, my little 8 to 12 got cut off, but you know that region where you are, Sussex County, through portions of the northern Poconos, the Catskills. This is your storm. Ski resorts, you're rejoicing with this powder, and you know, the liquid gold is coming. You know, we just can't wait to get the ski resorts really up there with some significant snow, because they've been lacking it. They've been in a snow drought over the last the whole season so far. I mean, I know people that went up to Vermont, and it was absolutely horrendous. So again, it comes down pretty good, and then it lightens up after about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow's going to be a blah type of day. Some snow, some rain. Nothing really is going to be accumulating. Temperatures are going to be above freezing. But as we take a look at the 5-day forecast right now, you see that it's going to be in the 30s today. Scattered areas of snow, rain developing after 3 o'clock. And don't be surprised, it could come down heavily, even just along the I-95 corridor to the north and west. Again, that initial thump that happens. But folks, I've seen this situation where some of the models are just trying to keep it snow, and all these potential snow maps that you see from the weather enthusiasts out there, they're doing a disservice because that easterly wind is going to knock those accumulations down and that warm tongue of air. That's why I showed you the 3 kilometer NAM. For Sunday, light snow and rain 37. Monday, a brief break. We rejoice. Temperatures will be about 40 degrees, plenty of sunshine. And look at Tuesday and Wednesday. We have a significant storm that will be coming our way. A mild one goes to the west, but it bombs out, and we could have winds in excess of 40 to 60 miles an hour sometime in the Tuesday evening time frame through about Tuesday night until early Wednesday morning. I think it's out of here before the commute on Wednesday. But look at the temperatures in the mid-50s. So all in all, to recap, let's just go back to this real quick. We'll just take a look at the 3 kilometer NAM. Again, this is 3 to 6 o'clock this evening. Green is rain, blue is snow, the darker purple, heavier snow, and you watch this pan out. But I really do think, folks, there's going to be that warm influx of air coming in with this system, with this storm really hugging the coastline. Losing the Arctic air, coastline, ocean water temperatures warm. These are all big whammies for snow lovers. I appreciate you following me all these years, and you guys stay safe. We'll have more updates as conditions warrant. Enjoy your weekend. It's already cloudy out there, but, you know, we're going to have some fun. And what are they saying? Thanks for the update from Sussex County. You're welcome. Good morning from Viera, Florida. I know who those people are. The Huffmans. Snowblower ready. Yes, you know what? I actually have to get my snowblower. And not that I'm going to need my generator, but I got to get that thing running because I haven't ran it in a year and a half. Just for testing it to keep the engine going, you know. ShopRite in Clark was a madhouse. Milk and bread. You guys take care. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.